This video is sponsored by Shark Vpn. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to surf the web without a trace. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to share 5 very useful and quick tips for your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 to quickly enhance your ownership. So let's dive in and get started right away. Now the very first thing I want to talk about has to do with your lock screen. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So when I go to my soft key edge panel right over here, and when I lock my screen, when I double tap on my screen, what I can do is I can press and hold on the fingerprint sensor, and when I do that, I do get access to 2 apps on the top of the actual sensor, and I can swipe over to activate whichever one I want to use. Now this is an option that is fully customizable. Let me show you how to get it done. So to activate this feature, what you want to do is you want to go to the settings, all right? Then you want to go into the lock screen, and then you want to scroll down to where it says app shortcuts. Now by default, it's going to be at the bottom corners, which you're going to see 2 apps on the side of your phone. Let me show you what that looks like real quick. So let's lock the screen, boom, boom, and you'll see it right over here at the bottom. You can access them from here too, but then you have to unlock the screen on top of that. Now, if you go to the floating button option, that's all you got to do. So then you can pick an application for the left shortcut if you want. So I picked calculator for my left shortcut and the weather channel for my right shortcut. So let me just change that to the camera, for example. So tap on that. Now when I lock the screen, all right, and if I double tap, and if I press and hold, it's going to be camera on one side and calculator on the other side. And I can access either one of them by swiping over. Just don't let your hand go. Swipe over to the application you need. All right, so that's number 1. Let's move on to the next quick tactic. The next thing I want to talk about has to do with your home screen. When you go to the Play Store right over here, and let's say you download any application. Let's just download this one right here. When you click install, something actually annoying happens that I personally don't like, and you may not like it either. So it's saying it's installing, and now it says shortcut to coloring has been added to the desktop. So if I swipe over, it's just going to be sitting right over there, and that's something I don't like, because then every time I install an application, it just creates a clutter on my home screen. I like to have it go directly into the app drawer and manage it from there. So all you want to do is you want to go back over here, okay, pinch the screen, tap on home screen settings, you disable add apps to home screen. So if you disable this, now when I go to the Play Store, as you can see, let me just grab something else over here, click install. This application is going to install, but it's not going to drop a shortcut on the actual home screen, which is great. It is going to go straight into my app drawer. Okay, so the install was complete. If I go home, swipe over, boom, there's nothing over there. Okay, it actually, let's look at the name of that application, Happy Color, will go directly into my actual app drawer, which should be right here, Happy Color, and from here I can manage this as I please. All right, so that's fantastic. Let's move on to the next tactic. The next thing I want to talk about has to do with arranging your home screen. So a lot of people are grabbing applications and moving them over one by one. It's taking a lot of time to do stuff like that. You can actually batch process this whole thing. So let's say I want to grab all these 5 folders and apps together and move it to the top over here. I don't have to grab each one of them and move them one by one, which takes extra time. All I have to do is press and hold, and then click select items, then select the items that I want, and then press and hold. It gets bundled together, and I can just dump it on the top right over there. Okay, same way I can do it like this. Select items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, press and hold, it bundles it together. I can move it to this screen if I wanted to. So this is a very easy way to actually organize all your applications. Let's remove this from home. I'm going to show you one more thing. You can do the same thing if you go over here. Let's say you have 5 applications you want to drop on the home screen. You can do the same thing. Select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press and hold. All right. Take a look at that. You grab it, put it anywhere you want. Boom, dump on the home screen. One more thing I want to show you guys is if you want to create a folder, again, you can choose all the apps that you want to create a folder for. And on the top, you just say create folder. Boom, gets bundled together. You go inside. You just give it a name, you pick a color for the folder, and you're good to go. All right, so just be aware of how quickly you can get this kind of arrangement done on your Note 10, on your Samsung devices. All right, let's move on. Now the final tip I want to share has to do with your battery. So sometimes you're out there and your battery is about to die. You don't have access to a charger, but you need your phone, and at least you need the basics. So there's a trick for that allows you to extend your battery life considerably, even if you have 5% of battery left. So if that is the case, you want to go into your settings. You want to go under device care right over here, and then tap on battery. And then when you tap on this button here, the power mode, you actually get all these different options. Okay, you got the high performance mode, you got the optimize, the medium power savings. But again, we're talking about this one right here, the maximum power saving mode. It says save as much battery as possible. All you do is tap on this one, and what's going to happen is your phone is going to transform into a basic phone. As you can see, let me show you how it's happening. Okay, so it's on, and that's all you're gonna see. You've got access to your phone, messages, the internet if you really need to, and a bunch of little settings over here, okay? And all these are lightweight settings designed to save battery. You can also add 4 more applications, and that's all you can add. But this is the maximum power savings mode. Even the black background is designed to save you battery life. As you can see, on 35% battery, it can last for 1 day and 14 hours. That's almost 2 days, all right? Now, when you're done with this, you just tap on this one. You say turn off maximum power savings mode, and boom, you're back in your colorful phone. And there we go, all right? So now it's gonna go right back in. Just give it a couple seconds to load up in the good old colorful stuff, okay? And that brings us to the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed these 5 quick tips to enhance your ownership. So real quick, guys, I do want to let you know that everything that you're doing online is potentially being tracked and logged under your IP address. And of course, any interested party, such as a malicious hacker or the government, can easily link all your online activity back to you using that IP address. Now, nobody wants that. What you do online is your private business. So what you want to do is you want to become invisible and untraceable as you browse the web, whether that's at home or in a public location. And of course, that's why I teamed up with Shark Vpn to make sure all your online activities are completely encrypted and hidden from prying eyes. Shark Vpn is available as an app on all your devices, so you can have total protection on your computer or your mobile device. So if you want maximum privacy, go to surfsharkvpn.deals/SAKITECH, and what you're getting is an exclusive 84% off plus 1 month free. And of course, you've got nothing to lose because you also get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So make sure to use the link surfshark.deals/SAKITECH to get your discount. The links are going to be down below. It's time to become a ghost.